Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles offer high-performance options for players seeking a combination of power, control, and spin. Available in two models, the Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles are designed with advanced materials and construction to enhance gameplay at all skill levels. Both paddles feature a carbon fiber face that delivers excellent durability and responsiveness. The carbon fiber surface provides exceptional spin potential, allowing players to add significant spin to their shots, giving them more control over ball placement and trajectory. This is especially useful for aggressive players who rely on topspin, slice, or other spin-driven shots. The paddles incorporate RevCore Power polymer core technology, which enhances ball control and consistency while absorbing vibrations for a smoother feel. This core technology also helps maintain the paddle's stability and reduces the likelihood of mishits, offering greater predictability and accuracy in each shot. The Halo Pro is designed for players who prioritize power and aggression, featuring a slightly stiffer construction for more forceful hits. On the other hand, the Halo Control provides a more flexible and forgiving feel, ideal for those who prefer to focus on precision and soft touch around the net. Both paddles are optimized for spin and consistency, making them perfect for players looking to refine their skills or take their game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, the SLK Halo paddles offer an excellent balance of performance, power, and comfort, ensuring a superior playing experience. In summary, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles are engineered for players who demand ultimate spin, control, and consistency in their game, backed by innovative design and quality materials for top-tier performance. Number 2. The pickleball paddles set with USAPA approval offers a high-quality, reliable option for both beginners and experienced players looking to elevate their game. This set includes fiberglass surface paddles designed to provide an excellent balance of power, control, and durability, making it ideal for players of all skill levels. The paddles are USAPA approved, ensuring they meet the official standards for competitive play, making them suitable for both recreational games and more serious matches. The fiberglass surface enhances the paddle's power and spin, allowing players to execute strong shots and strategic spins with ease. This material provides a durable, responsive feel, improving overall ball control and reducing vibrations for a more comfortable grip. The paddles are lightweight, making them easy to maneuver, which is especially useful during fast-paced rallies. This set is perfect for both men and women, offering a versatile solution for doubles or singles play. Whether you're playing casually or engaging in competitive play, these paddles are designed to offer a satisfying and consistent experience on the court. Additionally, the set comes with two paddles and a pair of pickleballs, making it an excellent choice for players looking to get started or upgrade their current gear. The set is built for long-lasting performance and durability, providing great value for players looking for a well-rounded pickleball set that offers reliable performance. In summary, the pickleball paddles set with fiberglass surface offers a quality, USAPA-approved solution for players seeking a balance of power, control, and comfort. With a lightweight design and durable construction, this set is ideal for men and women who enjoy both casual and competitive pickleball games. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a complete set designed for players seeking a well-rounded, high-performance pickleball experience. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a carrying bag, offering everything you need to hit the court in style and convenience. The paddles in the bundle feature a G4 graphite face, which provides a combination of power, control, and spin. The graphite surface enhances the paddle's responsiveness and delivers a smooth, consistent feel on every shot, allowing players to execute precise strokes. This surface is designed to improve spin potential, offering players the ability to add topspin or slice to their shots with ease. Inside the paddles, the polymer RevCore technology ensures excellent ball control and vibration dampening, allowing for a more comfortable grip and reducing arm fatigue during long sessions. The core technology also offers a responsive feel, enhancing both power and accuracy. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Bundle is designed to cater to both beginner and intermediate players, providing a reliable set that delivers consistency and comfort. The paddles are lightweight and easy to maneuver, making them great for fast-paced gameplay and extended matches. The set includes 3 pickleball balls, perfect for getting started right away, and a carry bag for easy transportation and storage of your equipment. In summary, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent choice for players seeking a comprehensive and high-quality pickleball set. The bundle offers graphite face paddles, polymer RevCore technology, and includes all the essentials for an enjoyable and competitive game. It's perfect for players who want a balance of power, control, and comfort on the court. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles are designed to deliver exceptional performance and comfort for players of all skill levels. Featuring a graphite and carbon fiber construction, these paddles offer a lightweight yet durable build, ensuring long-lasting use and consistent play. The graphite face enhances the paddle's control and accuracy, making it ideal for players who seek precision in their shots, whether it's for dinks, drives, or volleys. One of the key features of the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 paddles is the composite power core, which provides a solid feel and balanced power. This core is designed to maximize ball control while maintaining responsiveness during both fast-paced rallies and slower exchanges. The paddle's honeycomb core structure further enhances its ability to absorb impact, resulting in greater comfort and reduced vibration during play. The cushion comfort grip is another standout feature, providing a soft and ergonomic feel. This grip is designed to reduce hand fatigue and offer a secure hold, allowing players to maintain control throughout extended matches. The grip's cushioning helps minimize the impact on your hands, making it easier to play for longer periods without discomfort. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle offers a combination of precision, control, and comfort. The graphite and carbon fiber construction, along with the cushion comfort grip, make it a solid choice for players who prioritize performance and comfort. With a responsive core and lightweight feel, it's suitable for players who want to improve their game and enjoy consistent, controlled shots on the court. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles are designed to provide an affordable yet high-quality option for players of all skill levels. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which enhances durability while delivering a responsive and consistent playing experience. The fiberglass face ensures that players can achieve excellent ball control and spin, making it ideal for both beginner and intermediate players looking to improve their game. The paddles are built with a honeycomb polypropylene core, known for its ability to provide a good balance between power and control. The polypropylene core absorbs impact efficiently, reducing vibrations and ensuring a smooth feel during play. This core material offers a soft yet stable response, helping players manage both fast exchanges and precise shots with ease. The lightweight design of the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles contributes to increased maneuverability, making it easier to react quickly and make accurate shots. Whether playing in a recreational or competitive setting, the paddle's construction ensures it can handle different playing styles and conditions. In terms of comfort, the Joola Essentials paddles come with a grip that is designed to reduce hand fatigue, allowing players to enjoy long sessions on the court without discomfort. The handle's design ensures a secure and comfortable hold, even during extended play. Overall, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddles are a solid choice for players seeking a reliable, performance-oriented paddle at a budget-friendly price. With its fiberglass surface, polypropylene core, and lightweight feel, this paddle strikes a balance between power, control, and comfort, making it suitable for a wide range of players looking to elevate their pickleball experience.